Okay, so let's go over how to install or how to sideload a Chrome extension. In this case, the new version of Quickli. So you'll get this folder. You'll right-click on the folder itself and click Download, and wait for it to zip up and download. Might take a minute. Alright. Once you've done that, you'll go to Chrome / extensions, and there I'm going to go ahead and remove the version that I'm running. From there, you will make sure that you are in developer mode, which is this button at the top right. You'll see this button. Make sure that that is enabled. Show in folder, and unzip, extract all. Extract. Now put this folder somewhere, probably not in your downloads. You'll want to put it somewhere where you know where it's at. And then go to load unpacked and find wherever you saved that folder. Click through until you see nothing. Once you see nothing, click select folder, and now it is installed. So let's give it a test. All right. So if it's working, you should see, yeah. There you go.